Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to be going over the top 3 ways to make money online. Now these are from personal experience. I've actually done all of these methods. They're in no particular order. It's not like one is better than the other. Of course, we do have a bias against one of them, and you'll obviously be seeing that later in the video. But these are 3 valid ways to make money online. First up is affiliate marketing. You may have heard of this. It's where you basically earn commission by promoting other people's products. So this, commission could be very low, it could be very high, depending on what the company sets on the product or service that you're selling. So, you could have to sell a lot of product if it's a lower ticket item, or if it's a very high ticket item, then you may have to just look for a couple sales. So, there's a bunch of variables, but it's a great way to earn money online. You do have to find your own traffic usually. You might have to pay for that, paid traffic, or if it's free traffic, you might have to have some sort of a relationship already built with a list. Unless you're starting from scratch, in which case it would take much longer. And you're obviously going to be dependent on multiple sales. That could be a week, a month, or per day, depending on the commission and pricing of the product. So that is something to think about. We do offer an affiliate portion of our business, so you can check that out below. There's a link down below to our affiliate program with our company. Next up, we have MLM. This is probably one of the most popular ways to make money online. I actually came across a stat that said that about 52% of Americans will have actually been or are in an MLM at some point in their life. So that is a lot of people. Of course, you do have to recruit to make money. You must recruit to make money in this. And usually, not all the time, but usually the people that are very large gurus who already have a 10-year reputation with their people are probably going to earn the most money. If you're completely newbie and you have no relationship with anyone, then you are starting from scratch. It is going to take probably a lot of time to build up that relationship and get it to a point where your downline is growing. But the potential is very large, especially if you have a multi-level marketing company where there's up to 10 levels. So the potential could be very large, but of course you do have to recruit, and that is something to think about. Next up, we have flipping tickets. Of course, this is our favorite way to make money online here at Ticket Flipping Hub. It's easy, it's simple. You could start with a very low budget. You don't need a lot of capital to do this, and I've talked about that in many other videos on this channel. And there's no need to recruit with this. You don't actually have to have a list. You don't have to do promoting, advertising, or marketing. All that's done for you. Again, I talk about that on some other videos on the channel. And we make it very automated and a very easy, simple step-by-step business with our company, Ticket Flipping Hub, of course. Of course, tons of other videos, but very briefly, what we do here at Ticket Flipping Hub is we train you and alert you on exactly which events will be profitable. So we do make the process very much simplified, as opposed to if you were going out on your own, there'd be much more risk. So we do make the process very simple for you, and that's what we do. So there's also a link down below to our program in the description. These are 3 different ways to make money online. I hope you enjoyed the video. You could definitely do some additional research and look up maybe just a quick Google search on a few of these if you are interested. But yeah, this is 3 ways to make money online. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you go out and actually try one of these methods. I'm not going to tell you to do one over the other. It's completely your choice. But these are great ways to earn money online. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed. Thank you. Bye-bye.